Before you step foot on another treadmill, please watch this entire video to the end. What if I told you conventional cardio workouts are secretly sabotaging your fitness health, piling on ugly belly fat, and killing your testosterone production? Would you believe me? The U.S. National Library of Medicine recently published a shocking article confirming testosterone levels are lower in endurance running males than in guys who don't even work out. Another study published by the British Journal of Sports Medicine confirmed participants who don't reach the lactic threshold during exercise get zero access to testosterone and growth hormone. Here's what cardio really does. Cardio makes you more efficient at using fat as energy source. On the surface, this sounds fantastic, but it's not. Being efficient at using fat means you start to use fat slower and better to fuel activity. To be more efficient at using fat as an energy source means to burn less of it, not more of it. You're getting more out of less. The problem with cardio gets even worse. As you become more and more efficient at storing fat, then your only option is to go longer and harder, which then in turn only enhances the effect of burning less and less fat as you get better conditioned. Eventually, you have to go longer to get the same effect as you did before, which is the law of diminishing returns. This sets up a very bad situation for your body, sex drive, and lifestyle. Why in the world would you participate in an activity where after a while you need to do more of it to get the same previous results? Yes, cardio can help aid in fat loss, but the more you do, the more you put your new muscle and strength at risk. In short, incorrect cardio reduces your calorie burning machinery. It gives you a smaller and more efficient engine. Thankfully, there is something better and much smarter and much more fun. The solution? Ditch the cardio. I'm serious. Here's an entire year's worth of short but insanely effective non-cardio fat loss workouts to reveal a ripped body in only 6 weeks. Now, some people call it the holy grail of fat loss because this is exactly how to burn fat without stripping you of your hard-earned muscle. Whether you need to jumpstart your fat loss today or you want to shred any excess belly fat when you're done gaining mass, you're going to want to start adding my Ripped in 6 fat loss workouts. You see, once you unlock the power of my Ripped in 6 fat loss workouts using barbell and dumbbell complexes, you will hold the key to quickly melting fat off your body like butter in a microwave while leaving your hard-earned muscle intact. What's really shocking is that some men and women have reported that they actually gain muscle while cutting. Why? Because these tools require you to actually keep your calorie consumption high and burn the fat off instead of cutting calories and starving it off. Again, the moment you start adding cardio or dropping calories, your muscle and strength are put in great danger and risk. Now, you need to know these two tools are two of my best kept secrets amongst myself and my one-on-one coaching students who are getting shredded while keeping their calories high and never stepping foot on a treadmill again. My Ripped in 6 Fat Loss Accelerator will work for these two groups of people. Group 1 is for you if you are over 12% body fat or over 22% body fat for women. You will need to lose fat to maximize insulin sensitivity right out of the gate. Group 2 is for you if you are under 12% body fat or under 22% body fat for women. You will be transitioning into a cut after you pack on some solid muscle. Either way, if you want to get lean and ripped beyond what you can imagine without losing an ounce of muscle, barbell and dumbbell complexes are for you. Let me make this 100% clear. My Ripped in 6 Fat Loss Accelerator can be added to your current weight training routine. They are not a standalone program. They can be implemented in a couple of ways. As a replacement for long and boring cardio during fat loss, as a challenge-based workout to increase your mental toughness, as a conditioning tool for sports, as an additional workout for pure variety. My Ripped in 6 Fat Loss Accelerator simply helps you accelerate fat loss faster whether you need to lose fat now or later, and it does it in a way that peels off layers of body fat to reveal your newly built body without losing an ounce of lean muscle in the process. And you will do this in as little as 8 to 20 minutes per day. Now, I understand that this sounds like one of those late night infomercials, but let me reassure you, these workouts are no joke. But when added to your current exercise routine, they truly can take you to the next level of physique development. Let me be crystal clear, these workouts are challenging, which is why they are a brutally effective training tool for faster and smarter fat loss, while also including all the incredible benefits mentioned at the start. You can't do these workouts talking on your cell phone or just going through the motions. These require your all, your ultimate focus, discipline, work ethic, and even a touch of insanity. You see, if your goal is to have high testosterone, burn body fat while maintaining muscle, I recommend you stay as far away from traditional cardio methods as possible. Because while traditional cardio methods can strip your body fat, too much can completely shut down your testosterone, thyroid, and leptin production to the point where your body starts eating away at your hard-earned muscle at an alarming rate. Instead, you want a method that actually increases your testosterone while aggressively attacking the fat. You want a program that cranks up your metabolism into a fat-burning furnace. You want a program that hardens and strengthens your body instead of making it flat, puffy, and weak. You want a program that gives you more energy, not less. You want a program that builds muscle tissue instead of stripping it off. If your program does not hit all of these goals, accelerated fat loss will not occur. The secret lies in the specific application of certain high-intensity weight training methods that turn your body and metabolism into a fat-torching machine day and night. My Ripton 6 Fat Loss Accelerator, you can expect to peel back layers of embarrassing belly fat and begin to see your abs coming in for the first time. Strip off pounds of ugly body fat. Experience a surge in your confidence and sex drive as your testosterone comes roaring back. And you're going to do all of this without stepping foot on a treadmill or elliptical machine slaving away for hours at a time. My Ripton 6 Fat Loss Accelerator are killer workouts that are completely different than anything you have ever seen or tried. And just like always, you are protected by Udemy's guarantee with your purchase. So enroll in my Ripton 6 Fat Loss Accelerator course by clicking the button and I will see you at the finish line.